Alright, how's it going, everybody? If you didn't see the last video, we fixed this side. Made it all nice looking. Alright, so I haven't ground it down because I actually did that video yesterday. The day before this video, I started filming this video. So basically I just went up, uploaded that video, and then went to bed, woke up, and decided I'm going to come attack the other side, which is going to be a little bit more work, slightly more difficult. Probably need to come out this way more, hopefully not. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to attack this side, and I'm going to try and get some better angles with the GoPro, see what I can do, and yeah, so I guess let's get this thing going. good news. I got her all fixed up. It actually came out real nice. That shows you guys here real quick. Like, look at this. No more rust. I cut this piece out in one piece, but it made it a little too small, so I had to add a little bit right there. But yeah, it's all good. All I got left to do is drill some holes and then reattach this on both sides. But yeah, so here's the driver's side. If you remember the big hole that was in it, and then come on around this way. Here's the passenger side, all fixed up. These were in it, so I'm assuming these are drains, and I'm guessing this is why it rusted out, was because this drain was plugged. But yeah, so got the welding all done. Well, not all done. I gotta finish welding this all the way in, and then weld up this hole right here, because it's for the 80s truck where it had the plastic cowl that covered all this. And this is an 80s truck, but it's not that 80s truck. It's an 80. This is an 80, and this is off an 83. But yeah, so next we're gonna do more of this. Yay. Why can't there be more welding? I'm glad there isn't, but I enjoy the welding more than the sanding. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so working on this welding project. I did some grinding, cleaned them up. As you can see, looks awesome. This side looks great, and then we come around over to this side. Looks good. Got a few little oopsies there, but shouldn't be too bad. And that'll be the end of that. So yeah, get the shop warmed up, and then we'll continue on working. I'm not sure what we'll do. I got some paint stripper that I can put on, but it's not here. It won't be here till Tuesday. Today is Sunday, so I might just yeah, I don't know. We'll find something, I'm sure. Alright, put a nice little thin coat of mud over both sides, just to kind of fill in the imperfections from the welding. Let that cure up now, and then we'll sand it down and see what we got. It should be decent enough for me, I guess. I don't know. Not a professional, nor do I claim that this is the right way to fix this. But it's the way I'm doing it. So discretion, use at your own discretion. I'm just trying to make this thing look as good as possible. I have a multi-process welder that does MIG, stick, and lift TIG. I have little to no experience in the lift TIG process, and in my process of welding, I tried a little of the lift TIG because I've never actually tried it, especially with this machine. And here's the outcome. It's okay. Probably needed more gas coverage. This is my attempt at welding sheet metal. Yeah, it didn't work. I don't know. It's got something. I think it's something to do with the lift TIG process that I'm not familiar with. It seems like the amperage spikes up really high to start an arc, and then it tapers off, but that spike ends up blowing through the sheet metal. So I stuck with old trusty, the stuff that I know. Yeah, it's a little more difficult, but you get the same outcome at the end of the day. Still is welded, stuck, two pieces of metal stuck together, and yeah, a little thin coat of mud over top of it will cover up any imperfections in the welds. So I'm happy with it. I'm going to continue on doing whatever. I don't know.